फिर दिया है Hi, good evening friends. Welcome to world's largest live cooking show by Amol. I am Vaishali Trivedi from Vaishali's Kitchen. Shall we start? How many of them? Okay. Today I am showcasing an ice cream recipe, a masala chai latte ice cream. A very simple recipe, just 3 ingredients and flavoring. An ice cream done, no flavors, no stabilizers, no double churning. Okay, so shall we start? Am I audible? Is my sound clear? Okay, so first we see the ingredients. Just 3 ingredients needed. This is the cream, the Amul whipping cream we are using. Okay, 1 cup of Amul whipping cream, half a cup of mithai milk, and 1/4 cup of milk. I am using Amul milk here. If possible, you use Amul products. It's Taste of India. Okay, and for flavoring, we are using tea concoction. To prepare the tea concoction, I have my concoction ready here because the pot will be at chill temperature. All our ingredients have to be chilled, not frozen. Be careful, no ice crystals there. To prepare the tea concoction, just boil half a cup of water. Add few Indian masalas, that is 2 to 3 cloves, 2 to 3 cardamoms, few peppers, coarsely crushed, grated ginger, and a piece of cinnamon. Boil everything for about 5 minutes, just till it becomes half. Strain it and chill it. Okay. So we start the procedure for our ice cream base. So into my bowl, I take my cream. This is my Amul whipping cream. This is the dairy cream. You can also prepare the ice cream using the non-dairy cream. I'm adding my mithai milk to it. We whisk it together. I'm using my hand whisk. You can use your food processor or the stove. See? We have to just whisk it to soft peak. Very easy, very simple ice cream to be prepared at home. It will take about 5 to 7 minutes to come to soft peak. You can see the quantity of the cream is increasing as it gets better. Okay, my camera person says I have to be loud. Please let me know if I am not audible. And keep asking your questions. If any doubt, I'll try to. Okay, sorry. My voice pitch is a little low. I'll try and speak louder. more minutes and our cream is done. Cream has come to soft consistency. Here I'll add my milk. This is 1/4 cup of chilled milk. Just swirl it first or everything will splash up. Okay, so the base for the ice cream is ready. Now here I add vanilla essence. At this stage you can also add the chai essence. Chai essence is actually not easily available. So if you find it, add half a teaspoon of chai essence. I add here my vanilla essence. Half teaspoon of vanilla. Actually, vanilla essence will make your ice cream scoopable and it will not get crystals in it. Okay, so just swirl in your essence. Now this is the ice cream base ready. You can see.
Someone is asking what you are making.
Yes, I am making masala chai latte ice cream. Our base for the ice cream is ready, and now we'll flavor our base. So to flavor our base, you can just add a flavor into this, but I'm just making 2 parts to give a little swirl effect. So I'll just remove a little of my base here. This is a base ready for all your ice cream. Just flavor your base and you get your favorite ice cream ready. Okay, so this is my tea concoction ready here. We need 1/8 cup of our tea concoction in the whole thing. So what I do, I take the 1/8 cup of concoction. I add 3/4, more than 3/4 over here, and little in this. And next what I do for coloring, I add cocoa powder. Half a tablespoon of cocoa powder just for coloring. We don't need flavor, just to give a brown color. So when we swirl it, it gives nice look to our ice cream. Just mixing your concoction really well. Okay, so you can see there are 2 colors in my base. This is the only tea concoction part and this is with cocoa powder. Okay, so both are.
Someone asking, can you repeat how to make the base?
Okay, I'll repeat the procedure for base. For base we need 1 cup of Amul whipping cream, half a cup of Amul Mithai milk and 1/4 cup of milk. I'm using Amul cream, Amul milk over here. You can use any milk, but all your ingredients have to be at chilled temperature. Everything has to be chilled. In the tea concoction that we are preparing has to be chilled. Okay, so take a bowl, add in your cream, your Mithai milk, biscuit. You can use a balloon whisker or your hand blender, your stand mixture or your food processor. Only thing is we have to whip it to a soft thick consistency. Okay, We mix it everything well, and we add the flavoring. For flavoring, here I have used my tea concoction. For preparing the tea concoction, we take half a cup of water. To the water, we add 1 tablespoon of tea. I'm sorry, I skipped the tea powder there. 1 tablespoon of tea powder, because we want that kadak chai wala flavor. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of tea powder to our water, and add, if you are using tea masala at home, you just add 1 teaspoon of your tea masala, or add 2 to 3 cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, a few peppercorns, black pepper, a stick of cinnamon, just coarsely grind it, add it to your water, and grate in your ginger. Here you can also use your ginger powder, that is salt powder. Boil it till it reduces to half, and your tea concoction ready. Strain it and cool it completely to chill. Everything has to be just chill. Okay, so here our base is ready. Am I clear? Okay, any doubts? Shall I go further? Okay. Okay, so now what we do, we transfer our base into our tin. Now for the tin, you have to use a airtight container. Maybe plastic, it may be aluminium, or if you have any special ice cream, the popsicles, anything. Okay. If you doubt it's not airtight, just put a aluminum foil or a plastic sheet or a cling film, anything will do, and then put in your lid. Here I am using my plastic tin, plastic container, and it is airtight. So I will directly transfer my mixture to the container. Okay. See, you can use any of the plastic container. Okay. Don't run to buy something new for instance. This is the lighter base that we had made. Okay, mix it well before you transfer to your tin. Pour my cocoa tin. It is 4:30 p.m. and it's chai time, so I have come up with a chai fusion. If you like the recipe, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have my pages on Facebook and Instagram. I take workshops in Mumbai, Borivali. For more recipes and updates, please like and follow my pages. Share it with your friends if you like my recipe. Don't leave anything because it's ice cream. Okay. Now after I have put layers by layers both colors, and now what I'll do, I'll just turn in my spatula, to give nice swirls there. So when you scoop out your ice cream, you will see nice swirls. Okay, so here is ice cream ready to go into the freezer. Just close it tight and it goes in. Okay, I forgot one thing. Now here, just for garnishing and little more extra flavoring, this is my homemade tea masala. I'll just sprinkle a pinch of my tea masala. Here you can sprinkle your cardamom elaichi powder. If you're elaichi chai lover, you can just sprinkle your cinnamon powder or saffron kesar. So whatever flavor you and your family love, just give an extra pinch.
Somebody's asking what are the ingredients. Page for the mocha masala. Okay, want to check.
Okay, I'll also add the ingredients in the text if possible, or I'll put my recipe in the evening on my page Vaishali's Kitchen. So please go and check there. I'll just repeat once. 1 cup of Amul whipping cream, half a cup of Amul Mithai Made condensed milk, and 1/4 cup of milk. And tea concoction 1/8 cup. You can add extra or little less as per your taste. Okay, this will give you a perfect chai wala taste. Okay, so now this goes into our freezer, and now comes the part. So now here we come with our tea, chai, ice cream, both. Both. Okay, so this is my ice cream ready that I had already made for the. This is so. This is my ice cream. Okay, with chai masala powder. Now, chai is best with biscuits, right? Chai biscuit are all-time partners. So we don't separate them here. We yes, we serve it with biscuits. Okay, just see, scoop out. Wow, you can see the ripples in. This is the sign that you have perfect ice cream. Okay, we scoop out the ice cream into cup. Okay, cinnamon stick just for garnishing. We sprinkle little of our chai masala for that extra wala taste. And yes, we don't forget our biscuits, the ice cream partner. Okay. So chai biscuit ready for your evening snack. Any questions? Any doubts? Is everything clear? I finished my recipe here. Any questions? You can just come up, or we end our session here. It's a very quick, very easy, just 3 ingredient recipe. I would say just try it and try and let me know. If you make your ice cream at home, take a picture and post on my page, Vaishali's Kitchen. Okay, friends. Hope to see you again with another recipe. This was my first session with Amul, and now I'll be there with them, coming up with new recipes soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.